Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Maintaining optimal brain health becomes increasingly important in today's fast-paced world, especially after age 50. Our diet supports cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. As we age, we must pay attention to the foods we consume to ensure our brains stay sharp and healthy. In this video, we will explore the topic of 8 foods to avoid for brain health after 50, omega-3 and mental health to help you make informed choices for a healthier mind. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their significant impact on mental health and cognitive function. These essential fats are vital in building brain cell membranes and promoting new brain cell formation. Research has shown that omega-3 can help improve mood, reduce inflammation in the brain, and support overall brain health. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet can enhance cognitive abilities and protect against age-related mental decline. This video will discuss the importance of avoiding certain foods that may negatively impact brain health after 50. We will also discuss the role of omega-3 in maintaining mental well-being and explore how making intelligent food choices can benefit brain health in the long run. So please sit back, relax, and join us on this journey to discover the best foods for keeping your brain sharp and healthy as you age. When it comes to brain health after the age of 50, the impact of sugar consumption cannot be overlooked. Excessive intake of sugar has been linked to various adverse effects on cognitive function and overall brain health. Research suggests that high sugar consumption can lead to cognitive decline, memory problems, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Many common foods and beverages are loaded with hidden sugars that can harm your brain health. Processed snacks, sugary drinks, desserts, and seemingly healthy foods like flavored yogurt and granola bars can contain high amounts of added sugars. These foods can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation in the brain and impairing cognitive function over time. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. To optimize brain function and support mental health after 50, you must be mindful of your sugar intake and make healthier food choices. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, consider incorporating brain-boosting alternatives into your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts, can help protect your brain cells from oxidative stress and support cognitive function. Opt for whole fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to fuel your brain with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Reducing your consumption of high-sugar foods and choosing nutrient-dense alternatives can promote better brain health and cognitive function as you age. Making small changes to your diet can significantly impact your mental well-being and overall quality of life. Consuming processed foods can have a detrimental impact on cognitive function, especially as we age. These foods are often loaded with additives, preservatives, artificial flavors, and colors that can harm the brain and impair mental clarity. Excessive intake of processed foods has been associated with cognitive decline, memory problems, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additives and preservatives found in processed foods can disrupt the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, leading to mood swings, poor concentration, and cognitive impairment. Ingredients like artificial sweeteners, high fructose corn syrup, and trans fats have been linked to inflammation in the brain and oxidative stress, which can accelerate brain aging and contribute to cognitive decline. These convenient but nutritionally poor options often lack essential nutrients that support brain health and can instead contribute to brain fog and memory issues. To protect your brain health and support cognitive function after 50, it's essential to prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. Opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. These entire food options provide essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber that nourish the brain and promote optimal cognitive function. Choosing whole foods over processed options can safeguard your brain health and enhance your mental well-being as you age. The consumption of trans fats has been strongly linked to cognitive decline in older adults, making it crucial to be mindful of these harmful fats in your diet. These artificial fats have been shown to increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and accelerate brain aging. Trans fats are found in processed foods, fried foods, baked goods, margarine, and packaged snacks. These unhealthy fats can disrupt the structure and function of brain cells, leading to oxidative stress and inflammation that negatively impact cognitive abilities. To support better mental health and cognitive function, consider incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet as alternatives to trans fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and have been shown to reduce inflammation, support cognitive function, and protect against age-related mental decline. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3, as are walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. By replacing trans fats with omega-3 rich foods, you can nourish your brain with essential nutrients that promote optimal cognitive function and support long-term brain health. Making smart food choices can significantly impact your mental well-being and help preserve cognitive abilities as you navigate aging. The relationship between high sodium intake and brain function is a critical aspect of overall cognitive health that should be considered. Excess sodium in the diet can significantly impact cognitive abilities, memory, and brain function. Consuming too much sodium can lead to dehydration, increased blood pressure, and reduced blood flow to the brain, all of which can impair cognitive performance. High sodium foods detrimental to brain health include processed meats, canned soups, fast food, frozen meals, salty snacks, and condiments like soy sauce and salad dressings. These foods are often loaded with sodium and can contribute to cognitive decline over time if consumed in excess. The cumulative effects of a high sodium diet can lead to cognitive impairment, decreased focus, and memory problems. Reducing sodium intake and making healthier food choices are essential to supporting mental clarity and optimizing brain function. Tips for reducing sodium intake include cooking more meals at home, using fresh ingredients, reading food labels to identify hidden sources of sodium, and flavoring foods with herbs and spices instead of salt. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet can help balance sodium levels and support cognitive health. Being mindful of sodium intake and choosing low-sodium alternatives can protect your brain function, enhance cognitive abilities, and promote overall mental clarity as you age. The effects of alcohol on cognitive health in individuals over 50 are significant, and understanding the impact of alcohol consumption is crucial for maintaining brain function as we age. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some potential health benefits, excessive drinking can impair memory, cognitive function, and overall brain health. Chronic alcohol abuse has been linked to cognitive decline, dementia, and other neurological disorders. Alcohol consumption can impair memory and cognitive function by disrupting neurotransmitter activity in the brain, affecting communication between brain cells, and causing structural changes in the brain. Excessive alcohol intake can lead to cognitive deficits, decreased attention span, and difficulties with problem-solving and decision-making. Long-term alcohol abuse can also increase the risk of developing conditions such as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, which is characterized by severe memory loss and cognitive impairment. Moderation is vital when it comes to alcohol consumption for brain health. It's essential to be mindful of your alcohol consumption and to seek help if you or a loved one is struggling with alcohol abuse. For optimal cognitive performance and brain health, consider healthier beverage choices such as water, herbal teas, green tea, and fresh fruit juices. These alternatives provide hydration and essential nutrients without the adverse effects of alcohol on cognitive function. By making conscious choices about alcohol consumption and opting for healthier beverages, you can support mental performance and maintain brain health as you age. While artificial sweeteners are marketed as low-calorie alternatives to sugar, research suggests their consumption may negatively affect the brain and cognitive abilities. Some studies have linked artificial sweeteners to increased cravings for sweet foods, altered neurotransmitter activity in the brain, and disruptions in gut-brain communication. Avoid diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, sugar-free gum, and processed foods labeled low sugar or sugar-free. These products often contain artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and acesulfame potassium, impacting brain health and cognitive function. To make brain-friendly choices, consider natural sweeteners as alternatives to artificial sweeteners. Natural sweeteners like stevia, honey, maple syrup, and coconut sugar provide sweetness without the potential risks associated with artificial sweeteners. These natural options can satisfy your sweet tooth while supporting brain health and overall well-being. Certain foods, such as those high in sugar, trans fats, processed ingredients, sodium, alcohol, and artificial sweeteners, can harm cognitive function and overall brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids play a vital role in brain health, promoting new brain cell formation, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall cognitive abilities. By choosing nutrient-dense whole foods and natural sweeteners over processed and artificial options, you can nourish your brain and protect against age-related mental decline. Making informed dietary choices is essential for maintaining brain health and cognitive function as we age. You can support mental clarity and overall well-being By prioritizing whole, minimally processed foods, reducing intake of harmful substances, and opting for brain-boosting alternatives, your brain health is in your hands. Choose to fuel it with the nutrients it needs to thrive.